Hello guys, I want to introduce this app that I discovered. This app helps you to know teams that will score over goals every day. It helps you to know teams that will score more goals every day. First of all, welcome to my channel. This is Correct Bet. In case you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my videos anytime I drop them. All right, so this app now discover every morning. Once you open the app, you type, as you can see on top here, list today's high scoring games and time. It will now list these games here. As you can see, number 1, number 2, number 3. As it lists it for you, so what you now do is go to any site, any of your favorite sites, whether if it's Sporty or Betano, anyone. You now go there and choose these games over 2.5 or over 1.5. This is how this app works. This app, just type on the app, list today's high scoring games and time so that it will be easy for you to discover. You now go to any of your favorite bet sites and search for that particular teams. It's very simple. I do this one this morning, and it lists 3 games. As you can see, number 1, number 2, number 3. You can see it here. See the question I asked on top, and it lists it for me. See where it search. It say for today's high scoring potential football games include. You see number 1. You can see number 2 and number 3. So I now move straight to the site and search for these 3 games and play them over 2.5. This surprised me. Do you know that all play over 2.5? Just see it here. Can you see it here? See the exact game the app bring for me. Can you see the result? And all play go. All play go and over 2.5. You see? This app is wonderful. This app is wonderful. I'm very surprised. All you need to do, just have data. Just have data. Once you have data, download the app. I will show you the app. Then, what you now do every morning, just go to open the app. After you have installed it, open the app and search something like this. Tell the app to list today's high scoring games and time. It will list it for you. High scoring games. That is the most simplest one that I always use. Even if you search for straight win and it lists it for you, what I normally do, I focus on over 1.5. If you ask for straight win, now use your hand to create over 1.5 for it. Everything will go well. This app is wonderful. Just see the results of this match. I'm very surprised about this app. In case you're interested on this app, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. This app is wonderful. All you need to is just to install it. Please, in case you are interested, you are ready to purchase this app, chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. The number showing on your screen. Just chat me on WhatsApp if you need this app. For those that want to use it for all over, it's perfect. You can use it for all over. whether it's a 1 month rollover, 1 week rollover, 2 weeks rollover, the app is there. All you need to do is make sure you have data to use the app. Make sure you have data so that when you type, it will help you to get the good result. Make sure you have data on your phone. That's all. Just load data, any amount, whether it's 100 naira data or 200 naira data. That's all. And go and stake your game. If you can't play it online, you can go to any best shop around and stake your game. That's all. You search for stretch win, use your hand, edit it, and create over 1.5 through it. But if you search for high scoring games and it lists it for you, either you play it over 1.5 or you play it over 2.5. As you can see here, see the question I asked, list today's high scoring games and time. Then the results come out for today. High scoring potential football games include 1, 2, 3. I'll now go to the best site of my favorite. Now choose this. Very simple, no stress. And keep your phone, go to your work. When it's time for match to play, everything will be playing very, very well. Your results will drop. See, you're winning. You see it? I pick only 2 games or 3 games. I don't pick much. This app is wonderful. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.